In the fast-evolving world of portable cameras, DJI has consistently set the benchmark for innovation and quality. Their Osmo Pocket series has been a favorite among creators, vloggers, and adventurers. Now, with whispers of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 making rounds, excitement is building. This compact device, packed with cutting-edge technology, promises to elevate portable video production to new heights. If you're as curious as we are, stay tuned as we dive deep into the rumored features, design, camera specs, AI capabilities, and more of this much-anticipated release. A new era of portable cameras, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just another iteration of a successful series. It represents a leap forward in how creators capture and share their vision. Known for their seamless blend of portability and functionality, DJI's Osmo Pocket devices have carved out a niche for themselves in the market. But what exactly makes the Osmo Pocket 4 stand out from its predecessors? Let's break it down. Rumored design and build updates. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature a redesigned body that's slightly larger and more robust than the previous models, weighing approximately 190 grams. This increase in size accommodates advanced components that enhance its capabilities while retaining the signature compactness that the series is known for. Key design enhancements. Ergonomic grip. A new, thoughtfully designed grip ensures comfort during extended shooting sessions. Rotating touchscreen. Rumors suggest a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen with a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels. This upgrade not only improves visibility under direct sunlight, but also enhances interaction for framing shots and navigating menus. Durability. With a reinforced frame, it's built to withstand more demanding shooting environments, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. Camera and video capabilities. At the heart of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 lies its camera, an essential tool for creators. The device is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens, offering sharper imagery and superior low-light performance. Notable camera features. 4K video at 240 frames per second. The ability to shoot in 4K at 240 frames per second is a game-changer for creators looking to capture cinematic slow-motion footage. HDR and 10-bit color depth. These features ensure vibrant and true-to-life colors, perfect for professional-grade video production. ISO range. With an ISO range of 50 to 16,000 for still photography and up to 6,400 for video, this device excels in low-light environments. Phase detection autofocus. Say goodbye to focus issues with advanced phase detection and eye-tracking technology, ensuring smoother and more accurate focusing. Even for fast-moving subjects, stabilization has always been a cornerstone of DJI's Osmo Pocket series. The Osmo Pocket 4 is set to take this to the next level by combining mechanical gimbal stabilization with advanced electronic stabilization algorithms. Why? It's revolutionary. Ultra-smooth footage. Whether you're filming action-packed sports or scenic landscapes, you can expect professional-quality stabilization. Dynamic adaptability. The stabilization system adjusts intelligently to different shooting conditions, ensuring consistent results. Advanced AI features. Artificial intelligence integration is one of the standout features of the Osmo Pocket 4, making it a versatile tool for creators of all levels. AI-powered enhancements. ActiveTrack 7.0. This upgraded tracking technology offers precise subject tracking, allowing you to capture moving subjects effortlessly. Smart framing and cinematic presets. Automated framing and presets simplify the process of creating professional-looking content. Time-lapse and hyperlapse modes. Advanced time-lapse features enable stunning visual storytelling with minimal effort. Connectivity and real-time features. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to support 5G technology, revolutionizing live streaming and remote operations. Connectivity features. 5G support. Faster and more stable live streaming capabilities, allowing creators to broadcast in high quality without interruptions. Real-time HDR previews. Enhanced responsiveness ensures you can preview your footage with HDR effects applied in real time. Remote control options. Improved app integration enables seamless remote operation from your smartphone. Battery life and charging speed. Battery life is a critical factor for any portable device, and the Osmo Pocket 4 doesn't disappoint. Battery highlights. Fast charging. Equipped with DJI's PD charger, the device can reach a full charge in approximately 25 minutes. Extended recording sessions, more efficient power management ensures longer shooting durations. Enhanced heat management keeps the device cool and reliable during extended use, even in challenging conditions. Pricing and release date. While there's no official confirmation, industry insiders speculate that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 will be launched in late 2026 or early 2027. Expected price points: standard version, $699 creator combo, $799, includes additional accessories tailored for professional creators. Competing devices. The portable camera market is becoming increasingly competitive, with rivals like the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 gaining traction. However, DJI's advancements in stabilization, AI features, and overall performance give the Osmo Pocket 4 a distinct edge. Use cases for creators. The Osmo Pocket 4 caters to a wide range of users, from vloggers and filmmakers to adventurers and hobbyists. Here's how: vlogging. Compact size and AI features make it perfect for travel vlogs, cinematic projects. Advanced video capabilities allow for professional-grade filmmaking, live streaming. Seamless 5G connectivity ensures high-quality broadcasts. Conclusion: the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a revolutionary device in portable camera technology. With its rumored features, including a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K 240 frames per second video, ActiveTrack 7.0, and 5G connectivity, it's clear that DJI aims to redefine the market once again. Whether you're a professional creator or a casual enthusiast, this device promises to deliver unparalleled performance and convenience. Are you as excited as we are about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest Tech Titan reviews. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release.